it like this and give her a little twist. Are you at Cool Zone? Yeah. Put the holes in the thing.
I feel like
I feel like I have explaining to do. Just kidding, we did that last video. Today,
I feel like every video I start off saying we're gonna finish the wide body, and like we do some substantial amount of work, but it's never actually done. Today's one of those days. We are going clickbait.
bow, seam sealer, right there. Do that shit. This will seal. When you remove your, what's it called? What's the thing called? The wheel well that TJ never, boom, throwback memes, Adam LZ, calling you out. When you remove your fender liner and you cut your things, you do your relief cuts, it leaves like wide open holes, right? You can't have loose holes. So we're filling our holes with seam sealer. You can paint over this as well, which just makes this like really sick. All you need is a caulking gun. Caulking? Caulking. It's like a gun. PUBG. What do you guys know about PUBG? Nothing. TJ and I know a thing or two about PUBG. Imagine this is the fender liner. You just go like this. Done. Seam sealed. Let's do it, Teach. I'll let you do it. I need to cut this though.
So what we're gonna do is fill up the fender liner, fill up all the gaps, make it look pretty. That's why yesterday you saw us spray paint those edges to kind of clean it up, make sure it doesn't rust over time. And then once that is done, put the new fenders on, put the wheels on, do a little test, and the front and rear fenders will be done. And then all we will be waiting on is Calvin's lazy bum to finish sanding the side skirts. And then we're off to premium to get it wrapped. Well, actually extra premium. We ain't going to premium, we're going to extra premium. So that's a new shop. You guys will be updated on that later.
A new guy, his name's Daniel. Seems like a good guy. Daniel? No? Alright.
So I need to get all these crevasses too?
You need to get in the crevasse. Get her in the crevasse.
Oh man. So I'm just gonna be doing a lot of that.
And then we're gonna smear her.
With what?
I got a smearing tool.
You got a smearing tool?
I got a smear. Where's my smearing tool at? Smear? Smear. Smear. Here's your smearing tool. Give her a good smear. Oh, just learn. Learn! Smear me!
See, you know what upsets me, Cal?
What?
What doesn't upset me, but like it low-key upsets me?
What?
If we would have wide-bodied your car first, I would have had... My fenders are complete. It will do the same job as what this will do, but this is much cleaner and a way better technique than what we did. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But
you didn't
I'm happy for you, dude. It's gonna look good when we're done.
No, don't put
it's gonna look great when we're done.
I'm gonna let you smear, dude. Enjoy your smear, because we'll just paint it later.
It says that within 30 minutes you're ready to paint it, but I'm noticing after like 5 minutes of it being on there, it's already starting to like dry a little bit and get a little clumpy. So I think on Calvin's side, which he's starting to spread it right now, after the first couple of minutes, we're gonna spread it and smooth it out. We'll make it a little bit easier because I'm having some trouble on my side. Yeah, it's like drying. I don't know how to explain it. It's taking it off in chunks rather than spreading. All right, now that the caulking is done, we're gonna let it dry, and we may go back over a second time and fill up any cracks that are still exposed, like that one right there. Then once it dries, we're gonna shoot it with a spray of black. Let that dry.
Wait, we might not spray it today. Also on the instructions, it says if you let it dry for 24 hours, you could sand it to make it look nice. So, I mean, after 30 minutes it's dry and it'll prevent fucking rocks and like water getting in. But to make it look nice, you gotta wait for 24 hours, which I'm okay with, and we wouldn't have to spend more time spraying it to look nice.
That's true.
And then we could have the car on the road as soon as possible. Fuck you, bitch! You fucked my brother.
And action.
Action! And this is I'm gonna be Mickey. What we're doing here is we're putting hardware into the body panel that I'm about to drill holes into. The final steps now, we're just gonna
Hey, all you people. Hey, all you people, won't you listen to me?
And you gotta try this sandwich! It's no ordinary sandwich! It's the tastiest sandwich in the sea!
This bottom quarter panel and the side skirts are not gonna go on today because guess who still has to finish that? Hopefully we're gonna get that done tomorrow. But this side is done. We need to drill the holes for the other side. And we'll finally test fit the wheels and see how good Calvin's fitment is.
It's pretty weak.
Is it weak?
Yeah, I tested it.
Really?
Weak?
Yeah, I held the fender up to it, and it's so most cars have like a lower control arm to control the camber, and when the wheels go like this, my fitment disappears. It's gone. Bye.
So when you slam it, your camber just...
Well, I have those camber arms that we're gonna put on and see if that helps at all. If not, oh well.
One step for Calvin, one large step for everyone watching the videos every single day.
Ooh, Kevin shot. Ooh, Kevin shot me. Ooh, put me in the POV of that screwdriver. TJ's out there talking about lady stuff with our residential lady man, Sam Lund, and they're probably talking about spicing up the dating scene. I'm assuming that if I know TJ well, and I know TJ well enough, that he is giving him advice on the next date they should go on. And the next date, TJ's go-to, long walks on the beach, right? With puppies, especially nude beaches. TJ likes to, nude. He likes to hold his wiener whilst walking. He is very eccentric.
Can I see an example?
No.
Wiener holding while walking?
It's very graphic. Don't ask me how I know this. Don't ask me how I know that TJ is grasping his wiener and performing, let's say, helicopter actions, right? While walking with Sabrina on the beach. Don't ask why I know this, but it happens and I'm scarred for life. So, good luck, Sam.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, yeah. Oh. Is that it? Oh, god damn, boy.
Yeah, my dick hard.
Shit.
The doctor's here. Gets onto the interest. Hey!
What?
He's setting up a shot! Hey! Put it back, man! I'm back, baby! Kevin, I'm back! Go home!
No,
You're
baby.
drunk.
Come on, baby. I'm back. Oh, Kev's beating you to the punch.
Ooh, this is heavy.
Ooh.
I gotta be super careful because Calvin's gonna get my ass if I hand too big.
Kevin, what are you doing? No, there's no one there. Kevin!
What do you do?
God! Kevin, I can't trust you.
Okay, this is my... There's red paint marks on there. You would think he's using the red locks.
Ooh. Oh, I see what you're saying.
Ooh!
I see what you're saying.
Oh man! Ooh! What is it?
You gotta.
I got
you got-
wait, I have way more camber on this side than the other side. Get your shoe out of my fucking wheel. Yeah.
Let's see, like, what's ride height?
40.
Ooh. Yo.
You still got about a finger.
Yeah, you just need to adjust camber.
I need to just
Camber? No, I think you just use a spacer.
Nah, if he adjusts camber and he squares up and he pull it in a little bit, he'll be much better. But he doesn't have camber adjustment, so that's why. Once we do that, it will actually be a lot better.
Oh yeah, he's got a lot of camber.
Nice. That good cut. Got him.
What's up? Dude, it looks really good. Oh!
It literally just died as I was riding it. I almost took the fattest fall.
Oh man. Damn. Jumbo?
It's too early for that. It's too early for that, TJ. Too early.
Photos of Calvin's like half-finished car.
Dude, in the process, it's just for the memes.
For the memes. I will say, I do love how that car is and works. It works so well, we have no issues with it.
I don't know, there's a real sense of accomplishment with motor swapping a car and having it just work. I know it's SR20 and it's done a million times and it fits in an SR13 perfectly, but I don't know, there's just a real sense of gratification. And talking about gratification, we organized and fixed and cleaned a bunch of the shop today, which was well overdue.
Oh man, that's so funny. These kids are looking at Calvin's car like, what the fuck is that? Oh, doctor!
3, 2, 1, action!
Hey, by any chance, do you like
Don't
that?
show them!
Do you like that wheel?
I do like that wheel. Don't show them.
They can know.
No, they cannot. We have bad news. We have terrible news. My wheels don't fit. And I wasn't even there to witness it because, wait, is this yesterday's video?
That episode was 2 days ago for them, but it's okay, you can still talk about it.
Wow, my face looked so ugly, don't zoom in on that. My wheels don't fit, which I'm kind of sad about, but kind of not, because I have my heart set on some deep dish wheels. Like deep dish pizza, but wheel style. But TJ said no.
No.
TJ said no until...
Sabrina, you have to understand.
I'm sorry, this isn't your end of the video. I have to understand that the deep dish wheels don't fit right with a car that's not wide bodied.
Well,
and
you can't get that deep dish look if you can't have...
yeah.
I need
I need to learn some
You
things.
need a custom 3-piece wheel, which is gonna take a month or so to make if you wanted to do that. And the look you want is a wide body car. You can't get that deep dish that you're looking for unless you go wide body.
So you're saying I have to get a wheel that's not deep dish, and then if and when we wide body
you
the
can
car,
get a dish,
switch.
but it's not gonna be that like massive like dish like you want.
I don't want a massive dish. I just want like a little bit of it pushed back. Regardless, we're on the hunt. Nice meme. For new wheels. Wow, can this freaking focus?
I'm trying to get her some TE37s right now.
He did. I do like the TE37s.
But we
He
don't
did
want them
show me them.
bronze.
We don't want them bronze, and we can only find them bronze. We want them white. But can't we just paint them?
Yeah, but the way the Volks come, they have graphics on top of the wheels, so it would make our life much easier to just find them in white, and it'd be cooler in white.
Yeah. But anyways, that's that. It was tragic, but I got over it. What did we do today? I wouldn't know. I was having a girls' day. When I got there, they were taping up some fenders, doing some shit. But I don't really care, because all I care about is I get to drive my car tomorrow, and I'm excited because I think I'm gonna take it out by myself with no TJ in the car and take a camera with me, which might be really a bad idea. Should I do that? Might be really a bad idea, but might also be really a good idea. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. I won't do my outro because TJ thinks it's cringy, so I can only do it when he's not in the room, and he's sadly in the room. So peace out and keep moving forward.
And I'm feeling